How to find on repeat playlist on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can find on repeat playlist on Spotify. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to find on repeat playlist on Spotify, go ahead and open up Spotify first. Then you can head into the search tab at the bottom of your screen, and what you want to do is you can type in repeat. On repeat, so you can see on repeat, type in on repeat, and then you can see the playlist right here. Now once you have it, you can simply add this playlist, and now this has been added to your library. Head over to your library and you'll be able to find the option here that is on repeat your playlist. So you can tap on it and open it up. Now you have this. So this is how you can find on repeat playlist on Spotify. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.